The decision to file for divorce can be a difficult one. Even when you know it's the right next step for you, the feeling of uncertainty can be completely overwhelming. What if I lose the house or the kids? What if my spouse fights me every step of the way? My name is Simone, and I'm an attorney with the Bloomfield Family Law Firm. I meet with people every day who experience these same feelings of uncertainty, and I'm going to share with you the top 3 things I tell my clients so you can properly prepare to file for divorce. Tip number 1, stay in the home so long as it is safe to do so. If you and your spouse are able to peacefully coexist, don't allow them to pressure you to move out. While it's true that you still have an interest in the house, even if you do move out, chances are the person who stays in the home will likely keep it in the end. Why is this? Because it's easier. Don't let this happen to you. Stay in the marital home until a more permanent agreement can be reached, even if it means coexisting until the divorce is final. If your spouse truly wants you out, it will give you more leverage in the long run. Alternatively, if it is unsafe for you to stay in the home, then you can work out a strategy with your attorney where you get to stay and your spouse has to leave, or where you leave the home and your spouse has to help pay for your new expenses. Of course, all of these scenarios depend on your situation. So that is why it is best to consult with an experienced attorney before moving out. But remember, safety comes first. Tip number 2. Stay with the kids and/or visit them every single day. Children should never be used as pawns in a divorce, but the reality is this: the person who has the kids has the power, at least when the divorce action is first filed. Be mindful to spend as much time with your children as possible. If your spouse has already taken the kids, make a point to call or visit them every single day. That bond you have with your children is so important that the court will take notice of what's going on and will order parenting time accordingly. On the other hand, if you have the kids, then you want to allow your spouse to spend time with them when appropriate. Again, the court will take notice if it seems like you're trying to use your kids to get the upper hand in the divorce, so avoid that trap, as tempting as it may seem. Tip number 3, file first and plan your strategy with an attorney. There are many advantages to filing first because you get to make the first impression with the court. What's more, you can ask the court to protect your finances by granting certain orders without even holding a hearing first. This is often crucial if your spouse is the primary breadwinner, pays all the bills, or is likely to blow through your money on a whim. Plan your filing strategy with an attorney. Your attorney will help you determine what to file and when, so you are fully prepared and ready for whatever happens next. Alternatively, if your spouse has already filed for divorce, don't panic. Nothing is lost. It is time to bring in an experienced attorney to guide you and fight for your rights. The decision to file for divorce is a difficult one. Protect yourself and your family by planning ahead. So long as it is safe to do so, stay in the marital home, stay with the kids, and plan your strategy with a Bloomfield family law attorney. Our team will work with you to develop a customized plan so that you can take control over the next stages of your life. Call us today.